here we have some Ford Focus red and clear LED rear lights. These are a crystal clear and a crystal red plastic. These are also part LED. This version fits the model which runs from 2011 to 2014, the Mark III hatchback. So, as you can see, these are packed really well. They're also covered in a nice heavy duty cling film, just so we don't have any scratches occur during transit. We'll have a quick closer look at the lens. So as you can see, they're in really nice crystal red with the reverse and indicator, which is crystal clear. These lights are fully plug and play. So it's literally just remove the old light unit, which only takes 5 minutes, and then just replace the plug with this plug. This light does come with the reverse light and the indicator, which has got bulbs fitted. The brake and the side lights are LED, and we'll get them illuminated shortly just so we can have a closer look. These are fully road legal. These lights will pass an MOT. They are MOT compliant, and they are also fully E-marked as well. So let's have a quick closer look and we'll get these illuminated. So we'll run through a few of these features. We'll just put these on a 12-volt feed so we can see what they look like once these are fitted in your vehicle. As you can see, we've got a bright red light bar side light. So here's a simple fitting guide how to replace and fit these rear lights. It's really easy, there is no tools required at all. So let's get the boot open. We need to remove the inner cap, which is this one here. You will find behind there is a black, like a black bolt nut, which you remove. There's also one a little higher up, just under here. Remove this one. And then the light should simply just pop out. Once the light is out, we now need to remove the plug on the vehicle. So by pressing down the tab and pulling, removes this. Now it's time to install the new light bar LED rear lights. You should be able to install a pair of these in less than 10 minutes, possibly even less than 5 minutes, again using no tools whatsoever. So once you've got the new rear light, the plug just plugs directly into the vehicle. And then all we need to do is refit the rear light. We need to locate this threaded lug, and this locating pin with holes what are in the side of the vehicle. And then we need to come back round here, refit our lugs, these secure the lights tightly into place. Just tighten them by hand as tight as you can is definitely sufficient enough. Rear cap goes back on, and there we are. So we've got a red light bar which runs along here,